Using Rakuten in-store is a straightforward process that allows you to earn rewards and cashback on your purchases. To get started, you need to have a Rakuten account and the Rakuten app installed on your mobile device. First, open the Rakuten app and navigate to the in-store cashback section. Here, you will find a list of participating stores and the cashback rates they offer. Browse through the list to find the store you want to shop at and click on it to see the details of the offer. Next, link your credit or debit card to your Rakuten account. This is necessary to track your in-store purchases and credit your account with the cashback rewards. You can link your card by going to the settings section of the app and following the prompts. Once your card is linked, you can start shopping at the participating store. When you make a purchase, use the linked card to pay and make sure to follow any specific instructions provided by Rakuten, such as using a specific payment method or entering a promo code. After you make a purchase, Rakuten will track the transaction and credit your account with the cashback reward. You can view your cashback balance and transaction history in the Rakuten app. To maximize your cashback rewards, make sure to always use the linked card when shopping at participating stores and follow the terms and conditions of each offer. You can also combine Rakuten cashback with other rewards programs, such as credit card rewards or store loyalty programs, to earn even more rewards. In addition to earning cashback, Rakuten also offers exclusive deals and discounts at participating stores. These deals can be found in the Rakuten app and can be used in conjunction with cashback rewards to save even more money. Overall, using Rakuten in-store is a simple and convenient way to earn rewards and cashback on your purchases. By following these steps and taking advantage of the cashback offers and exclusive deals, you can make the most of your shopping experience and earn valuable rewards.